Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking determine if the following alternating series converge or diverge. Let's look at the first one. So first of all, we have to pick up the b values. So for this one, this is going to be the b value, right? And for the second one, this is going to be the b value. So let's look at the first one. So in order to converge, this one to converge, what has to be happen is the bn value should be decreasing and the limit of bn value should be equal to 0. So let's see whether it is satisfying both conditions. So for the first one, bn value is equal to 5 power 3 over n. So instead of first one we had to find decreasing, and the second one we had to find limit is equal to 0. So first let's look at the limits. Limits n approaches infinity, 5 power 3 over n, right? So what happens if the n get larger? If the n is infinity, what's going to happen is 3 over infinity, that's going to be 0. So this is equal to 5 power 0. We know that that is equal to 1. Therefore, this is not equal to 0, right? 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore, this is not satisfying one of the conditions. Therefore, this is divergent. So this is divergent series, right? And let's look at the second one. Second one, we have to do the same thing. We have to see whether it is decreasing and the limit should be equal to 0 in order to converge. So let's look at that one. First, we check whether it is decreasing. To do that, what we can do, since this is a factorial, so bn, first let's pick up the bn value. For this one, the bn value is going to be bn is equal to 1 over n plus 2 factorial, right? So here what's going to happen is, so we are doing the part 1 to find whether it is decreasing. So when n is equal to, so n is going from 1 to infinity. When n is equal to 1, this is going to be just 1 over 3 factorial, right? When n is equal to 2, this is going to be 1 over 2 plus 2, that's going to be 4. So 1 over 4 factorial. And when n is equal to 3, this is going to be 1 over 5 factorial. And if you notice, this value, the denominator is increasing as the n value increase. Therefore, this is decreasing bn. So this is decreasing. So this satisfies one of the conditions. The next condition is the limit should be equal to 0. So let's take the limit. Limit n approaches infinity, 1 over n plus 2 factorial, right? And if you apply infinity for this n value, this is going to be 0, because 1 over infinity, that's going to be 0. So this is 0, so this satisfies both conditions. It's decreasing and the limit is equal to 0. Therefore, this one divergent series, right? And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.